Hey, in this video I will tell you how to filter some object with exclude some stories or object. So when anybody click on one story, then he will see here some stories, but he do not see here this story. So at first just go to story detail.html. This is the detail page. Okay, this is detail page and this is the list page. So just go to story detail.html and add a HR tag and write some, and write you may also like. So okay, so just refresh it. So you can see here you may also like. So at first go to views.py. This is the story detail function. Okay, so here I just want at first grab the all object. So create a variable all story equal story dot objects dot all. Okay, if you print here all story, then you can see in CMD the all story objects. So just print it, save it and refresh it. So you can see now the all story object. So here I just exclude one story, means this story, Star Child by Oscar Wilde. Okay, this first story. So just go to story detail and here I use exclude method. Story.objects.exclude and exclude what? ID equal ID. Okay. Then if you print it, so just print all story and lane of all story. So just print lane of all story. Okay. So here is the story variable. So grab the all stories. Here also print the lane of all story. Just print lane of story is STORY. You will see what will happen. So here just type a string lane of all story. Okay. So now at the story detail function, here is a print lane of all story. So just here add a string. So lane of selected story. Okay. So now go to the browser and refresh it. Okay, so just go to the any story. So just open the CMD. So here you can see lane of all story is 10, but lane of selected story is 9. So I successfully excluded this story. So now I just pass this variable all story. So just type this Django variable all underscore STORY all story. You may change the name of Django variable, means like story, like story, and here just type like story. Okay, so now go to the story detail.html and here so create a for loop for the like story. So just type for x in like underscore story. Okay, so just at first end the for loop. So %% end for and now. So you can create the class container div class class equal container. So inside the for loop I just want to type the title of the story. So just type h5 tag. Okay, so now type x.title. This is for the title of the story and add a anchor tag and type hyperreference to x.get absolute URL. So I already have discussed about this get absolute URL. Now save it. So go to the browser and refresh it and go to the story. So you can see here the all story has been printed successfully. So I just want grab the 3 story. Okay, so just go to the views.py. At first I will change this variable to all and change it to list because I use random.sample. I already discussed in the previous video. So just now type the variable like story, and like story equal random.sample and pass the sequence. The sequence is all story, and now type the number what you want. So I just want 3 story. So just save it and run the server. Okay, so refresh it and go to the any story. So you can see now the 3 stories has been printed successfully, and in these 3 stories this story never include. Okay, because we use the exclude method. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.